Question 7. A fisheries biologist studying whitefish in a Canadian lake collected data on the length in centimeters and egg production for 25 female fish. Okay, so we have, well, it's right here. So length versus number of eggs. A scatter plot for her results and computer regression analysis of egg production versus fish length are given below. Note that number of eggs is given in thousands, so the number 40 actually means 40,000 eggs. Okay, which of the following statements is a correct interpretation of the slope of the regression line? So first, let's identify the value of the slope, which is going to be this number right here. Okay, so that's the, in statistics, it's the b-value slope. Okay. All right, so we can automatically eliminate b and d. Okay, those don't have the right value. Okay. All right, now slope is rise over run, or you can also think of it as the change in the y variable versus the change in the x variable. So we've got 39.250. If we write that as a ratio, right, the ratio would be to 1. You'd be comparing to 1. Okay. All right, now let's add context, right? The change in number of eggs versus the change in fish length. All right, so this tells us when the length of the fish increases by 1 centimeter, the number of eggs is predicted to increase by about 39,000 eggs. Okay. So I'm looking at A. I was just reading it in my head. So it says the number of eggs increases by 39.25 centimeters, right? That's not the right units if we're talking about the number of eggs. So I don't even like A. And C says, C's got it backwards. So C says a 1 unit increase in number of eggs, but this ratio would be a 1 unit increase in the fish length. So C is wrong. So we've got one answer left. For each 1 centimeter increase in fish length, right, which is what the bottom part of the ratio represents, the predicted number of eggs increases by 39,250, and that's what the top part of the ratio represents.